Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll review the built-in Spotify app on the newer Fitbit Versa 2. So let's get started. If you're someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular reviews for various smartwatches and smartphones, software reviews like this one, tech news, tutorials and much more. Also check out our playlist app to find curated playlists for various content we post on this channel, where you will find a playlist exclusively for Fitbit Versa lineup, so be sure to check it out. A while back I did a review for the Spotify HR app, where HR stands for heart rate, on the Fitbit Versa first generation, which was a third-party app. The video is linked up here in case if you guys want to check it out. But today I'll review the built-in Spotify app on the newer Versa 2. Yes, you heard it right, Spotify now comes built-in, and to top it up, it's not a third-party app anymore. It's developed by Fitbit themselves. In case if you don't find it pre-installed, you can go on the Fitbit app of your mobile device and get it from the app section. I am a Spotify premium member. In case if you are not, it will still work. And just so you guys know, you won't be able to download songs on the Versa 2 itself, even with the premium Spotify account, unlike the Deezer app, which is also a music streaming app for which I'll be posting a video pretty soon. So hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that video. However, since this app is a remote control for the Spotify app of the mobile device, having premium Spotify membership will allow you to control the music on the mobile Spotify app even when you're offline. Okay, all that being said, let me show you how it works and what I think about it. Now right off the bat, the first problem I notice is that you cannot trigger the mobile Spotify app to open right from your watch, which really sucks. So you have to go on the mobile device and open the Spotify app for this particular app to work. So in my opinion, this is not at all functional. Let's say for instance, while I am in my car, and if my mobile phone is in my pocket, I have to physically take the phone out every single time to start the Spotify app, which is not the case for the onboard music storage for Versa 2. Check this video linked up here in the card section to see how I control music and volume of my car right from my Versa without using my phone, which I would say is highly functional. Anyways, coming back to Spotify, let's go ahead and open up the mobile app. As soon as you do so, sometimes I have noticed that it does not show up right away on the watch. You have to play a track from the mobile app to be pushed on to the watch. Once it starts, you get two screens to swipe. First will be the list of library, under which will be the recently played sections, where you will find all the recently played albums. In the library, you will find your own personal created or saved playlist. You will also find recommendations from Spotify. In my case, it's made for VidTube. And lastly, workout, where you'll find playlists from different type of music you can use for your workout, which I think is pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and play any track, which will then take you to the other screen. Oh, by the way, sometimes guys, if there is a connection issue, a message like this will pop up, which basically means that you will have to restart your phone's Bluetooth, go on to the Fitbit mobile app and synchronize the Versa 2 so the internet connection gets re-established. Now on the second screen, you will get options like play and pause button, next and previous track button, details about the track being played. On the top you will see options to like or unlike a track, shuffle, and option to connect to a device, and in my case it's my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So that's pretty much it for this review, and now here is what I like and dislike about this particular app. Right off the back, I really appreciate that finally we have an app that really works, unlike the Spotify HR app that I mentioned about in the start of this video. Those who have used that one will instantly know what I mean. I like that we now have options to see the playlist, saved tracks, recommendations, the fact that we can control tracks, that is play, pause, change tracks, and even like and dislike the tracks. But in my opinion, here are the downside for this app. First of all, as I mentioned earlier, I still need to start the mobile Spotify app to make this app work, which sucks. Secondly, it would be really nice if this can be a standalone Spotify app like it's on the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active, for which I have done a video linked up here. You can check it out once you're done watching this one. I really wish we can at least control the volume from the watch. Come on Fitbit, didn't you think about it? And lastly, the connection does give out quite often and the no internet connection screen comes up, which is so frustrating. So in short, I do appreciate that finally we have a functional app, but on the other hand, I would personally prefer to use the onboard music app of the Versa 2 versus the Spotify app, or at least I would consider the standalone Spotify app on my Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 superior to this particular app. Let me know your personal experience of this app in the comments down below. I would really love to hear from you guys. So I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up and maybe give it a thumbs up anyways as an appreciation to our effort for making this video. It really means a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos, and take care. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.